Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we have an April Fools Contest, because today is April 1st. So if you have any Discord servers that you're in, be very careful before you notice anything about the Discord server for today. Probably just don't read the news unless you're trying to have fun, all that good stuff. So, what are we doing with this contest? Well, as you know, April Fool's Day contests are some of the hardest contests in Codeforces history. And honestly, if I solve two problems, I'll be very happy. It'd be a very above average performance for me. So yeah, here we go. Here's the mind stumped part of this contest. Also, just a quick announcement beforehand. So I've got this this template here, and I've compressed my HackPack into just these lines of code. So each, like this bottom line here is fast scanner, for instance, and then like FFT I think is like these 3 lines. So yeah, you can just copy this if you're interested, if you're looking for my HackPack, and then I'll put the code to decompress it in the description. But yeah, there you go. All right, Codeforces, and here's the contest. Let's go. Good luck. Have fun. I'm very excited for this contest. We'll see how it's going. Is it rated 2? Interaction. This is an interactive problem. You need to read participants' queries from standard input, print your responses to standard output. You don't know the number of queries up front, so you'll need to process them as you get them. You'll know you're done once you reach the end of the file. You have to answer it correctly, patiently, and without display of emotion. Okay, we can just try submitting the basic thing. We can try just submitting the naive here. So yeah. Let's see what this gives us. Oh, lots of submits. So maybe it is that easy. This probably is. Okay. Many people are aware of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, but another recently proposed Digital Millennium Calculation Act is much less known. In this problem, you need to find the root of a number according to the new DMCAed Act. All right, we got A. Nice. Oh, maybe you can't. You're probably not allowed to use certain functions. I bet that's it. That's funny. They're probably going to be like, oh, you can't use square root. Okay, so for int I equals 1, I times I is less than n is plus. I wonder if they don't want like square root to be in this or something. Oh man, so many wrong answers. Legendary Grand Sleeper. Fibonacci words. Maybe you turn these into like base 10, see if they're a Fibonacci number. Length is between 1 and 10. It's almost certainly wrong. What? Interesting. Copyright, huh? Digital Millennium Calculation Act? So millennium is 1,000, right? Digital Millennium Calculation Act. Secret 2021. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I don't know what they're looking for. Fibonacci words. We can try this. This might not be that bad. Okay, so yeah, so it's uppercase letters A to Z. Okay, so well, maybe A is okay. Come on, give me the Fibonacci numbers. One, two, six. Okay. Oh, this is the wrong. Yeah. Oh. Huh. 13th. Oh, okay, so this isn't going to be right. Why would we add 1 here? There's not really any reason to add 1 here. So yeah, let's try this. So sum. This is way too friendly of a number to be. Okay. Maybe it's the characters in the word. You want to check for if any of them work. Is 13 a Fibonacci number? It is. Okay, so what? So Anna has a 13. I don't think any of those are Fibonacci numbers. What about help? 7, 4, 11, 15. I don't know. What about mug? No, those are almost definitely not Fibonacci numbers. 6 or 12, 20 and 6. Yeah, okay. All right, so that's a no. Oh wait, 13, 7. 7 is not 1, but 21 is. Okay. What about sum? It's 21 and 13 and 19. Okay, fine. What about help? Has 8, 5, 12, 16. Oh, maybe you take like this thing, like these, some of these numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. No, okay. What about, what if we do 7 plus 4? Okay, this is 32. Have I figured it out, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, help. Hang on. Let's do some help. Help. 7 plus 4 is 11. 4 plus 11. Oh my goodness, I've done it. I've done it. So good. Okay, all right. Let's get some other examples. What about Anna? 0 and 13. Yeah. Okay. I figured it out. I've solved it. So the thing is, you just like take the first 2 letters and wait, the length of string is between 1 and 10 characters. So I guess if it's just less than 2, we'll say it's good. Okay. All right. So if line.length is less than 2, sys out yes. Turn. Int sum equals 0. Sum equals line at 0 plus line at 1. Minus a. I equals 2 less than line dot length. Plus int next equals, okay, sum modulo equals 26. Next equals line at I plus, or line at I minus the letter A. If sum is not equal to next, then sys out no and return. Otherwise, sys out yes. Oh, yeah, got it. Oh. Okay, I think we got this for sure. All right, very good. Whoa, tourist is a genius. I feel so smart having gotten that, but anyway. All right, cakewalk has lots of solves. A moose encountered a nice big cake and decided to walk across it, eating berries on the top of the cake. The cake is rectangular, neatly divided into squares. Some of the squares have a berry in them, and some don't. The moose is in a bit of a hurry, so once she enters the cake from the northwest corner, top left of the input data, she will only go right and down until she reaches the bottom right cell. She will eat every berry in the squares she passes through, but not the other squares. The mouse tries to choose her path to maximize the number of berries consumed. However, her taste and hunger might be clouding her judgment, leading to suboptimal decisions. Yeah, so if you can go... Now, why would this be right? I guess you go right if you don't see any. But then height up to 5. So I guess if there's neither one, you go right, maybe? Excuse me. Oh, maybe she always passes along the main diagonal to... Well, I guess let's just try the greedy first. So, okay. If x plus 1 equals width, then... Okay, so if board at x, y equals... Alright, so if it's equal to this, we get 1 point. If this is the case, then y plus plus. If y plus 1 equals height, then x plus plus. If board at x plus 1, or if board at y plus 1, then y plus plus. Else x plus plus. So this will pass the samples. No. Let's try this. I got my 2 problems. I'm happy with my performance already. Honestly. Like, I don't know how people do this. 420th place. You know, what more can you ask? Why not just end the video here? Man, hilarious. Hilarious. Okay, so... some people are getting it wrong. I don't really know how you could get it wrong. I don't know what else you'd be thinking. But also, all these people are also getting B. How's the queue looking? Pretty big. Test 6, huh? Why would this be 1? Maybe you only, should we try the main diagonal? Main diagonal doesn't really make much sense though, because it's not necessarily a square. Could my code be wrong? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What? What? Okay, I'm just an idiot. How does this happen? How does this happen? Really? Wait a minute. I am a cyan. What am I doing with my life? How does this happen? Zero, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2. Oh. Okay, I'm actually just an imbecile. Hmm. 20 seconds ago, I was making fun of people for getting E wrong, and now I'm getting E wrong. Okay, so we'll see about that. What do we do next? B has so many solves. Could it just be the sum of its digits? Like a checksum? Is that what they're going for? 8 plus 1 is 9. You can try it. Wrong again, huh? Wrong again. Test 4. Oh, so I've passed a test by accident. How does that happen? Maybe 0 is 0. Digital Millennium Calculation Act. What are the chances this was getting this was like actually just getting it wrong? If it's not the sum, do we need to care about copyright? Millennium calculation. It's not the sum of the digits either, huh? Really? You sure? Maybe the bit count? Nope. Okay, I don't get it. Yeah, I don't understand how so many people are solving it, but I'll move out of my life. Everything else is hard, it looks like. Let's read F, see if we see anything smart. These two images are equivalent. Feel free to use either one. There's only one image. It's the top row and bottom row. Braille. Okay, let's write this down here. So we've got one. Oh wait, there are two things per number. Okay. Gotcha. So 2. That is not, that's not a number. Okay, then I want 2 colons on the left. Am I just being like an idiot here? Why is there not two colons on the left? Or two dots, bottom left? Yeah, bottom two. Okay, well, we just assumed, okay, what about two on the bottom? Two minus, oh, I see, two minus. Okay, what's this third one? Top and bottom? Okay, then we need these right two on the top. Yeah, right top two. Two minus x, and then two more characters here. Okay, maybe this is what we're looking for. So yeah, this is definitely a minus. So it's 2 minus x. This other one is some other number. This is a minus here. So some number, well, there are three things. Some number thing minus, are any of these last four symbols? I think I've seen this before. This is x, yeah. So this is an x. So what are these last three? These last two are the same number. Okay. So what are these two dots here? Bottom left, middle right. Oh, whoa, these are 3 long? I don't think we have any of those. Yeah, no pluses either. Okay, so what are the numbers? We want left 2. So that's just 2. Okay, 2. Wait. So I had some number wrong. What the heck? It says this is 2. But earlier we had the bottom 2 being 2. Oh, maybe it just uses 4, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So 2 something minus x something 2. Yeah, okay, so 2, and then we have a 2 at the end. Or a 2, and then did we get E? I think we got E. Yeah, we got E, okay. So many people are getting DMCA. I don't understand what they're doing. All these geniuses out there. Kind of magic, to be honest. This math, I think. Okay, so there's the alphabet. Oh, maybe this is helpful. Official Unium Consortium chart. Oh, Bray, they've got real dots. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, all right. Well, maybe we just do this. Maybe this one works. 2 on the left. Where's the 2 on the left? That's the wrong side. We want left. Oh, man. Ah, number 2, okay. 2 on the bottom. Two in the bottom. minus, okay. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Minus x, 2 on the right top. To the power of 2. Minus x squared. Is that it? I think it's 2 minus x squared. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, I'm gonna pass for this. Okay, what problem is this? This is problem F. What? Oh, we got it. Nice. Let's go. Alright, so we've got F. Very good. We could really use B. B is very heavily solved. I don't know what people are going for there. Yeah, I don't know. Let's read some other problems just in case. Encoded message. The first line contains a single integer n up to 24. The next n lines contain 5 space-separated integers each. The first 3 integers will be between 0 and 2. The last 2 will be between 0 and 3. The sum of the first 3 is equal to the sum of the last 2. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's make a map here. We have A is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So these go up to 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, and their sum has to be the same. Okay. B, we don't know about. There's no B available. C is 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. D, we have D is this. D is 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. All right. E is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. F we also have as well. 21021. G A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Wait, this C we should validate. C again. It's the same thing, yeah. C. Coded message. Do we have any information other than the fact that we have these bounds? What ways of encoding numbers are there? Oh, maybe like ASCII? What's 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is... Maybe it's just the ways of doing this. Okay, we can try that. Yeah, so maybe we just like find all strings that match this property. Oh. Okay, B, C. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't seem to make sense. Oh, maybe this is like backwards. So maybe this is just an array list. Maybe they go, yeah, it looks like this one increases first. What on earth would B be? What? Wait, maybe this is more Braille. So what if they had like the number of things in each row and then the number in each column? That works for C. What about for D? D, we have 2, 1. Works for D as well. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Z. What is Z? So Z, the end of Codeforces, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Let's go. All right. Here we go. Time to start pasting this in. Okay. Yeah. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna make this half decent to code? Yeah, okay, so yeah, okay. So this will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, who is ready for some data entry, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't this going to be massively exciting? Okay, so A, got an X there. B has this. C this D is this E has this F this G H here's I J looks like K L M MNO is okay. Q R S. Probably insanely boring, but I don't know a better way of doing it other than maybe like writing some screen parsing shenanigans. But wait, okay, try again. That was T. Yeah, this is U. Almost messed up there. We're getting there, almost there. V VX or VW X looks kind of like an X. I appreciate that. Y Z. All right, awesome. Good. All right, so okay, then for string, okay, so string grid equals chars at I. 4 0 and 3 y plus. Okay, so call counts at x plus equals c equals x, 1 otherwise 0. And then row counts at x, or row counts at y. Plus equals the same thing. equals x1 0. Okay. String res equals row counts at 0 plus row counts at 1 plus row counts at 2. Call counts at 1, call counts at 2. Okay, count.put. What do we want to put? We want to put this result as the character a plus I. All right. Int n equals this. 4 into I equals 0. Then n x plus. String line equals fs dot br dot read line. Sysout line dot, or sysout, what do we want? We want my map. What is my map called? Count? It's a terrible name for a map. What was I thinking? Dot get line. Uh-oh. That's an issue. So we have ambiguity here. Okay. So we don't want I. Okay, and then we don't want CO. We don't want O as well. Where's O? Or we don't want S. CODEFOREZ, Codeforces. Really? Oh, because I'm, oops. My bad. I'm a bit silly here. It's almost certainly right though. Because like the 2 and then the 3 and then it's the counts of this, counts of that. Yeah, it makes sense. I'm pretty sure it's right. Alright, we got it. Good, good, good. Okay, so what do we have left? We have D and we have B. Oh, from B. It's gonna be the death of me. Okay. See, it's probably something so silly, so easy, and everyone else is getting it, and then you guys are looking at me like, David, you're an idiot. How do you not see it? It's obviously the sum of the digits or something so silly, so obvious. It's like, just print the square root, but something, like round the square or something. It's like, How do you know to think of that, right? Okay. To find the root of a number. It's not the sum of the digits. Okay, what about 81? Okay, so we passed this. We can try submitting this. So that's going to be wrong. What about rounding? Round the square root, maybe? Alright, so somehow we have the answer. We have 41 minutes left. So somehow we have the answer to whatever this next sample is. So let's do this. Let's go back to the thing we know will pass. Okay, so in this case, we have 81 prints this. Okay. So if next equals 1, return next equals 81, return next less than 10, greater than 10, 0, no. So now we're basically binary searching for the case we're getting wrong. Okay, so it's, so yeah, okay, so we have the sample of 1,000,000 equals 1. Huh. Interesting. I guess I should read that, huh? Just in case we know how to do it. Okay, DMCA, Roman numerals? DMCA. I don't think A is a Roman numeral, but D is 500, M is 1,000, C is 100, and then we have an A. Digital Millennium, what is it? Digital Millennium something? Calculation Act. What does this have to do with DMCA? Find the root of a number according to the new law. So the root of this number is 1. Why? Why would the root of this number be 1? I mean, the sum of the digits is 1, sure. I am doing the sum of the digits, right? C, yeah, for sure. Do we just like remove zeros after? if we replace all the zeros in the initial number. So we have 1, we have 81. Well, I guess that shouldn't matter. So we should do, yeah, okay. How would it, no one would figure this out though. Millennium Calculation Act. If it's bigger than 1,000, print 1. There's like the millennium in the problem, maybe? But how would anyone figure that out? How would you know? 1,000 people have this problem. And I'm wrong again. No, maybe not. What if it's equal to 1,000? Copyright Act. Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Millennium Copyright Act. Square root of 81 is 9, huh? But the square root of 1,000,000 is, the square root of 1,000,000 is 1. Why is the square root of 1,000,000 1? What is the root of a number? What does that mean? The root of a number, the square root, right? What else would it be? Okay, I guess what are we gonna do? We're gonna get another test case. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay. So it's less than 100. Looks like it's between 10 and 100. What about 50 and 100? Okay, so it's between 50 and 75, about 65. Wrong answer, test 4. Okay. So what do we know? So that means it's between greater than 50 to 65. All right, so 57. Could be 64. Okay, so 64. So what would that be? 1? Maybe it's 1. Because 64 has a lot of factors, so does 10 to the 6. What? Oh. DMCA. So, okay, so 64 is 1. Alright, so 1 is 1, 81 is 9, but 64 is 1. 64, what's that? 2 to the 6. 2 to the 6 is 1. Or wait, no, yeah. 64 is 1. And also 1024. Ten to the 6 is 1. 64 is also 1. Does it have anything to do with square roots even? Maybe not.
Problem got wrong answer test 5, sir.
DMCA. Does it have to do with a calculator, maybe? $64. 81. Digital Millennium Calculation Act. It's, why would they don't have Fibonacci words. Here's a program. Hack the program. Whoa. To do. Change minus to plus. Admin zone. Access denied. Forever. What? Some wacky encoding. Admin zone. Yeah, it looks like this is some language or something. Maybe like some compiled code. Geothermal got probably in 1 minute. Actually insane. How do you do that, my friend? How do you do it? How do you see this? According to this new DMCA law. Wait, is this how you spell millennium? 1,000 years. Like on a clock? Wait a minute. 81 modulo 12. No. Okay, hang on. So if this is like the number of, man, really? Oh, but it's, oh man, 81 mod 12. Digital Millennium Calculation Act. Does that have to do with time? Millennium Calculation Act. Be like A mod 12 is like the number of hours on a clock if you Digital Millennium Calculation Act. What would that possibly mean? How much time do we have? 15 minutes. Do we want to get the next test case? Digital Millennium Calculation Act. There it is, 5.
Problem without runtime error. Test answer. Problem without runtime error. Test answer. Problem without wrong answer. Test answer.
So it's between 50 and 100? Or it's like this. $64 is 1. Why would 64 be 1? I don't know. Maybe, okay, if you have any factor more than 6 times, you hide it? What, how does anyone think of that? Is there like some DMCA meme that I don't know of?
Problem without runtime error. Test answer.
Maybe it has nothing to do with factors at all.
Problem, you got wrong answer, test 5, sir.
Wait a minute. Yeah, test 3 is 1,000, test 4 is 64. Okay, we don't know 5.
Problem, you got runtime error, test 5, sir.
So
Problem, you got wrong answer, test 5, sir.
okay, so it's at least 64. So I guess let's try 65 or 66. Maybe only include up to 2 of each factor. That doesn't make any sense. Fails for this, also fails for this.
Problem, you got runtime error, test 5, sir.
Runtime error test 5. So it is less than 66. So if next equals 65, throw no. How about that? Is it 65? What's special about 65? Not much. Digital Millennium Calculation Act. A digital millennium.
Problem, you got runtime error, test 5,
Okay.
sir.
Cool. So let's see. What is this? So 65, we're trying 65. It might be next mod 12 maybe. Might be 11, some of the digits. What else? $65. So 65.
Problem, you got wrong answer, test 5, sir.
Just 5.
Problem, you got wrong answer, test 5, sir. Problem, you got wrong answer, test 5,
Okay.
sir.
Might be 1. DMCA.
Problem without wrong answer test visor.
Yeah, there's no A in Roman numerals. There is a D, M, and C, but no A. So it can't be that. How is everyone seeing this?
Problem without wrong answer test visor.
Alright, so it's not 1. What could the answer possibly be for 65? 5? 6. No. Oh, wait, what if you add them? So 6 plus 5 is 11? Maybe it's 2. Maybe it's like, you get 11, you do it again, and you get 2. Ah, it's so silly. Is that it? Oh my goodness.
Problem without wrong answer test system.
Well, next is greater than 10. Greater than or equal to 10. Sum equals 0 for char C in next plus this. C minus. How does anyone figure this out? Where does this come from? It's just random. I don't know. Geniuses. I got 1,000 geniuses on Codeforces over here. Am I even right though? Might not be right. How does anyone figure it out? It only took me 37 tries. Alright. Well, that's fine. Oh, fun contest. I had fun. Okay, solutions real quick. So let me just explain the problems. This, you just print no. So this is easy. You just print no for each time it's asked. Solution to that is super simple. Just print no each time. For B, mind blown. I don't know how people get this. You just take the number, sum its digits, and keep doing that until it's one long. So 1 goes to 1, 81 goes to 9, 64, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, so you just keep doing that until it's 1. I don't know how you're supposed to figure that out other than just like samples. I had a whole bunch of submits to find some samples. So yeah, I figured out that right here. So I had 1 goes to 1, 81 goes to 9, 10 to the 6 goes to 1, etc. Okay, so that's that. Problem C, you just say, like, take all of these numbers as numbers mod 26 and check if the previous two sums to this for each one. So like H, for instance, is the 7th letter of the alphabet, E is the 4th, I think. So 7 plus 4 is 11, and L is the 11th letter of the alphabet. 0 indexed, of course. So yeah, so there you go. And then it works out perfectly for those. So that's problem C. D, don't know how to do. E, she just like walks right if there's a berry to her right, down if there's a berry below her, otherwise she walks right. Or I guess, interestingly, yeah, it's slightly different. So it's like, if there is a berry below, she walks down, otherwise she walks right. That's the extent of the logic. Okay, cool. So that's problem E. For math, this is Morse code for 2 minus x squared. And I think there are 2 different versions of Morse code. So they're the same thing. So you just print 2 minus x squared. That's it. And then for G, this is also Morse code. If you look at a Morse code, not Morse, Braille, sorry, the last word is Braille, not Morse. If you look at Braille, you have 3 rows. So if you give someone the number of dots in each row and the number of dots in each column, that will that'll give you some number. So G would be 2 in the first row, 2 in the first column, 0 in the third column, 2 in the first, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 0 in the third row, 2 in the first column, 2 in the last column. So that's G. But then there's some overlap. So you have to remove some numbers. In particular, you have to remove S and I think. Yeah, you need to remove S and I because they overlap with E. I think they both overlap with E. So you remove those, and then they just promise that that won't be, or you just don't print them in the output. So there's no S and I, and you get that from this sample here. Awesome. So yeah, there's the contest. I enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. I did much better than I expected to be honest. I'm very happy with my performance. It took me a while to get B, but I'm super happy with this. 1 problem less than tourist, I'm set. Yeah, I got a problem tourist didn't, so I'm very happy with that. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Beat Geothermal by 1 spot. Okay, anyway, that's all from me. Hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the contest. If you didn't do well, don't worry about it. Like, this has no relation to how smart you are or anything. It's just whether you see these or not. This is not a good indicator of intelligence by any means, but it is kind of esoteric and it's definitely fun, as long as you don't get like stuck on 37 submits on the same easy problem. Anyway, yeah, so that's all. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Goodbye.